When we were building FRIDA, we realized that we had a little more room than we needed and thought it would be cool to put a little speakeasy or something unexpected to add just an additional layer to FRIDA Southwest. So this is kind of like a modern version of where Don Draper would drink if he were alive today. We have some throwback classic in our food menu, and our cocktail menu is a mix of classic cocktails and craft cocktails as well. We have all these bookshelves that we needed to fill up, and I think the easy thing would have been to buy a bunch of old books and fill the shelves like a lot of other people have done in the past, and we wanted to be different and unique in that respect. So that's when we decided to incorporate all of these art and design books that are my wife and I's passion, and the things that we enjoy reading and the things we enjoy engaging with, and presented them in a public forum and let other people react to them. And it's been really fun to see their reactions because it's been very positive. The Daley's perfect for a date night because it is unexpected and it's intimate and it's dark and just a great place to get together and enjoy some cocktails and get to know someone in a really quaint, intimate setting. The Daley is a craft cocktail, arts and design whiskey library here in the Paseo. It's located within FRIDA Southwest and has a completely different menu. I encourage everyone to come down and check us out.